The Citation Encore Plus from Cessna, an aircraft with proven design that increases performance and allows for faster climbs to altitude, translating into a more comfortable ride as well as additional range. The Encore Plus introduces new Pratt & Whitney Canada PW535 engines, plus trailing link main undercarriage, more fuel payload, updated interior, and improved systems.
The avionics package is a standard package, single FMS, does have high-frequency radios, and one Garmin GPS, Rockwell Collins ProLine 21 avionics.
Serial number 765 offers an 8-passenger interior, featuring a forward refreshment center and storage cabinet. The forward 2-place side-facing divan is followed by a 4-place club and 2 aft forward-facing single seats. All seating is completed in luxurious beige leather, complemented by brushed nickel-colored plating and medium-colored satin finish woodwork.
As a performer, the airplane climbs straight up to flight level 430, 450, no problems, and is on the faster side with the cruise speed of about 420 knots. It's been a stellar performer for our flight department and has never failed us.
The Citation Encore Plus from Cessna, serial number 765. AvPro, celebrating over 20 years of excellence.